in this video, we are going to show you how to delete a node in Flowith.io. Now, if you are in a conversation in Flowith, and as you can see here, we have two nodes here. We have this one, right, and this other one, right? So if you want to delete, say, this node, all you need to do is click on the node to highlight it, and you can actually just press delete on your keyboard, or just look towards the right hand side when you click or highlight the specific node, and on the rightmost option it's going to say delete. So if you click on delete like so, it's going to have an option and a pop-up that will ask you delete node. So this action cannot be undone. Please confirm if you want to delete. So this is a good feature from Flowith, because some AI LLMs or similar programs will just delete it as you delete or click the delete button, right? But Flowith has this safeguard to, just in case you click the wrong node, this pop-up will appear to make sure that it is actually the right node that you want to delete. So click on OK, and as you can see, deletion successful, and the node is now deleted. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.